This is the Nanotech 650FG. It's a multi-axis CNC diamond turning lathe. It has slow slide servo capability and 5 degrees of motion control with your X, Y, Z, C, and B axes all being controlled. We can diamond turn metals, plastics, chalcogenide materials, and any other ductile material that we could possibly turn. Can use them to make spheres, freeforms. We have a full suite of NanoCam software to be able to bring in solid models of your optic or whatever it is that you need turned, and we can generate a tool path. We also have MasterCam services in SolidWorks to be able to do modeling and tool path generation, not only on the NanoCam, but also our other machines. The benefit of single point diamond turning is there's no post-polishing necessary. It'll give you an optical surface on metals and aluminum, plastics, chalcogenide materials. Very beneficial without having a lot of additional processing and without the additional handling necessary for other materials where you would normally have to machine and then post-polish afterwards. You can have a optical surface finish right out of the machine. We can take up to 8-inch optics in the diamond turning lathe. The vacuum chuck also has a bolt-on fixture, so quick change turnover, a lot of functionality out of our machine. If you're not familiar with what slow slide servo is for single point diamond turning, that's where the rotation of the workpiece, which is mounted on the workpiece spindle, can actually be articulated at the same time that the tool is moving. So you can get multi-axis movement in a rotational and linear translation at the same time. It gives you the ability to make things like lenslet arrays, meta surfaces, intricate structure features on the surface. The B axis that's on the machine allows us to have multiple tools on the same rotary axis, so we can keep the tool normal turning at the same time. So that ensures a better optical surface without having to rely on the uniform radius of the tooltip itself. It also allows us to get in to do more obscure angles to the workpiece. As the B-axis rotates, it brings the tooltip more to the glancing side angles, which gives us the ability to get into some very intricate features and peripheral cuts without having to have multiple tools and have a lot of tool changeover. Industries that benefit from single point diamond turning: infrared materials, specifically the chalcogenides, germanium, silicon, zinc sulfide, zinc selenide, calcium fluoride, mag oxide. Those materials typically diamond turn very well. So that's your infrared spectrum of optics and optical materials. Other areas that diamond turning works well for is prototype plastic optics, where plastic optics are molded to increase efficiency and decrease cost. But for prototypes, the molding process isn't really economical, so it makes sense to just diamond turn them from a puck to get your initial research portion of it. And once you've vetted out the design, then you can go and upgrade to a molding process, which would be a lot more cost effective. So your plastic optics would be more adept for medical devices, things that are disposable, consumer optics, those types of applications.